Well, this is the ditch that I worked on this morning. It's been raining all day. Um, the water's flowing pretty good down through here. Thankfully, it didn't wash nothing out. We'll take a walk down here and just check the whole thing. This little ditch drains all the all the water coming off the road. And like I said, we're kind of downhill here, so everything flows down this way. I don't know how many acres of water drain down through here, but it's quite a bit. Like I said, it didn't wash out anything. Still looks pretty good. I wasn't expecting rain today. Yesterday was a beautiful day, and then it's done nothing but rain today. I may have to come back in here with the blade and maybe level it off a little bit here and there. I don't know how many inches of rain we got, but like I said, it's rained all day long. All this water runs down through here, down to the creek. Take a walk back here and see how much water's in the creek. It's probably going to be pretty full with all the rain we've had. I can hear the water rushing already. Like I said, this is all downhill from the road down here to the creek, so we get a lot of water through here. That's why this culvert down here was washed out. I don't know how many years ago it got washed out, but yeah, it's rolling pretty good through here. Now, this is the culvert that got washed out. It had a bad flood one year. This is another job that I've got to get repaired. But yeah, getting quite a bit of water through here.